the best. Okay, the first thing we need to do is make room to get to the headlamp bulbs. So remove the radiator overflow. Oh, it's empty. And looking in here, you can see that the previous owner had, I believe, installed the sleeve wiring upgrade for the headlamps. Doing the sleeve wiring upgrade basically corrects the voltage drop, allows you to get 1 more volt out of the wiring harness, so your bulbs will burn brighter. It also comes with, I think, a couple auxiliary pigtails for lighting. At this point, take a good look at your mounting hardware, because you're going to go in blind, basically, especially behind the driver's side, the battery. Even when you remove the battery, it's hard to get a good look in there. And here's the old standard 9006 bulb, and here is the Sylvania 9006 XtraVision that we are putting in. A few extra steps that I like to take, really cleaning those connectors with some dielectric cleaner or some electronic cleaner, and using that dielectric grease on the fittings. Just spray it down. I'll wipe it off and then let it air dry while I work on the other side. Here I am recreating the application of dielectric grease. I had already put it on, I forgot to film it. Yeah, put on where the connector is, and then I put a little bit on the, I don't know what they're called, bayonet arms. Slide into the bracket, the mounting bracket. Greatly eases installation. Also, save yourself some installation trouble when you put this in. Take a look at those mounting tabs. You'll notice that one of them is skinnier than the other two. And then on the mounting socket, look for the corresponding receiving skinny tab. On this, it's going to be at that 4 o'clock position you see right there with the metal protrusion. And it will take a clockwise rotation, maybe 30 degrees, not much, and it will lock into place. And again, that dielectric grease greatly helps that at this stage. And now we test.